All right, so just a few minutes on the second video. But I didn't want to cut it short and just have you fend for yourself. So if I make this a negative, then this is going to cancel with this. So this is going to give me x plus y equals 2400. This is going to give me negative x plus 3y equals 0. So if I combine those together, this will go away, right? And I'll end up getting 4y equals 24,000. I don't know why I keep trying to not put the zeros. So we end up getting, after we divide by 4, that y is 6,000. So remember, y was the stocks investment. But we get y equals 6,000. And so x would be, remember they have to add up to be 24,000. So x would be 18,000. Okay. So that means this intersection point right here is actually 18,000 comma 6,000. And so notice that is actually all we needed to be able to do our method of corners, right? So now we have our points. We have our profit equation, or sorry, not profit in this case, it's yield. It's kind of profit. So yield equals 0.06x plus 0.110y. So the endpoints are 0, 0. Notice this point right here is 24,000, 0. And then the intersection point that I painstakingly figured out was 18,000 comma 6,000. Okay. So here we get a yield of not that interesting, right? This would just be 0. But here I'm going to use y for yield. If we do 0.06 times 24,000, in other words, we're putting all of our money in bonds. So this comes out to be 1440. And then here I'm going to write this one out. This would be 0.06 times the 18,000. Plus 0.10 times the 6,000. So 0.06 times 18,000 plus 10 times 6,000 is 1680. Okay, so this is going to be your sweet spot for the investment, right? So they should invest 18,000. $1,680 of interest is earned with investments of 18,000 in bonds and 6,000 in stocks. By the way, notice that 18,000 and 6,000 is the point where bonds would be triple what the stocks were. And remember, that was a requirement for the problem. It said that the bonds had to be more, or 3 times more rather, than the stocks were. So that in a nutshell is everything that you would need to know for the test. Just really make sure that you know how to start, that you don't have to pause and figure out a bunch of kind of background information before you can begin. The people that are finishing the test on time and not feeling like they're super rushed are the people who are really prepared, and when they see a problem, they can kind of jump into action without having to think about it too hard. Okay, so study hard, and I will see you for the test.